Today's video will guide you on how to add photos to Google Drive. Adding your photos to Google Drive helps you to keep your photos safe and accessible from anywhere, and you can also share it with others. To start, open up your Google Drive on your web browser. Once you are in, you click on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. Now you click on New Folder. You can choose to create a folder for your photos, or you just add it automatically on the files. So to keep it clean, let's create a folder for the photos. So you add your folder title, then you click on Create. Now you can see your folder here, and if you're not able to see your folder here, you will have to refresh the page. So in your drive, you see all your folders and files here. You click on the one you want to add photos to. Now you click on the plus button again and select File Upload. Now you'll be prompted to select photos you want to add from your desktop to your drive. To choose multiple photos, you long press on the Control button and use your left hand click on the photos you want to add. Click with your left hand to select the photos you want to add. Once you've selected your photos, you click on the Open button. Now you can see here that your photos are downloading. Once they are uploaded, you can see your photos you've added to your Google Drive. So you can easily double click on it to view your photos. Now you have successfully uploaded or added photos to your Google Drive. Ensure to like and subscribe to the channel for more video tips. See you in the next video. Bye.